Creo 11 introduces full multi-body support for bodies of category sheet metal, including the ability to unbend and create flat patterns for multiple sheet metal bodies. The following flattening related tools are enhanced to support multi-body workflows. The unbend feature is enhanced and can unbend geometry of a specified body. The selected fixed geometry determines which body is considered in the context of the unbend feature. Manually selected bend geometry must belong to the same body. You can define fixed geometry and bend order per body in the Body Preferences panel. If fixed geometry is already defined, you can simply select a body and the fixed geometry definition is leveraged automatically. Flat pattern preview is available per body and can be invoked in the context menu after a body selection or a surface selection. It shows the flat preview of the selected body while removing the other bodies and zooms into that body outline. The body name is indicated in the flat preview window title. The previously existing flat pattern feature continues to be available and supported for a single body usage. You can continue to use it for single body models or to apply or test flattening on a specific body. If flat patterns for multiple bodies are required, you can use the new Flat Pattern Manager. It automatically creates and manages flat pattern features for each of the sheet metal bodies in the part. In case a flat pattern feature existed before for one of the bodies, it will be upgraded and incorporated into the Flat Pattern Manager structure. The Flat Pattern Manager state parameter can be set to flat. This is the flattened state. Please note the change of the feature icon indicating the state. The state can also be initial, so as designed, or removed, which will entirely remove the body from the state. The individual body-specific flat pattern features have an additional state parameter value called inherited. This is the default state and allows to control the flat pattern features of all bodies to be driven simultaneously by changing the Flat Pattern Manager state. For empty bodies, the flat pattern feature in the manager will be hidden. With the Flat Pattern Manager present, you can now start to create flat instances or representations. Before creating a flat state instance, let's check the naming template being defined for it in the Creo options. New settings allow to configure their default names and indexing logic. In our example here, we want to show the body name and state and a default name, so we remove the &part name keyword from the template. We can then start to create a flat instance for each body. Looking at the family table, you can see how it leverages the state parameters of the Flat Pattern and Flat Pattern Manager features to define isolated flattened states per body. While the Flat Pattern feature state for a given body is set to flat, the Flat Pattern Manager state is set to remove body, which is inherited by all other bodies. You can now use these flat instances or flat representations in drawings or other downstream processes as before.